I have sciatica really bad, and I have a lot of bad hip pain and lower back pain. It gets bad some days that I don't even want to get up and walk. So my husband suggested that I go ahead and see Dr. Scott, does my adjustment, and I feel absolutely amazing afterwards. The biggest thing is the pregnancy pillow. As most pregnant women know, we're unable to lay on our bellies. So with this great pregnancy pillow that he has, able to let us lay on our bellies and take the pressure off of it. So we're able to get our adjustment done. I would 100% recommend Center for Chiropractic and Dr. Scott to any and everybody, especially pregnant women.